Imagine an artificial intelligence surpassing human knowledge and reasoning abilities. That's what OpenAI is aiming for with their next-generation AI model, ChatGPT 5. This might sound like something straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's a reality that's being actively pursued. Superintelligence refers to an AI that is significantly smarter than the smartest human brains in practically every field, including scientific creativity, general wisdom, and social skills. It's an AI that can outperform humans at most economically valuable work. That's the level of advancement OpenAI is striving for with GPT-5. Achieving this isn't a walk in the park. It requires a hefty investment, and Microsoft is stepping up to the plate. They've already poured over $10 billion into OpenAI, and they're shifting their entire business model to focus on AI. This shows just how serious and potentially transformative these developments are. But it's not just about the money. Building an AI model like ChatGPT 5 also demands massive computing power and extensive data. We're talking about billions of dollars, colossal computer resources, and training on vast amounts of data. Plus, there's the critical aspect of safety testing and fine-tuning. Despite these colossal requirements, there's an air of uncertainty. The timeline and capabilities of GPT-5 are not set in stone. It's like we're at the foot of a mountain about to make a climb, but we can't see the peak. We don't know how high it is, how long it'll take to reach, or what we'll find when we get there. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing is clear. The race towards superintelligence is on, and it's a race that could change everything. Artificial intelligence isn't just changing our daily lives, it's also finding its way onto the battlefield. And that's leading to calls for regulation. In a world where technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace, we're seeing the emergence of a US-led initiative to regulate the military use of AI. This initiative has garnered the support of Japan and 44 other countries, all sharing the common objective of reducing potential risks and uncertainties associated with AI in the military field. So, why the need for regulation? The answer lies in the immense power of AI and its potential for misuse. Imagine autonomous drones capable of making life-and-death decisions or cyber warfare systems that can cripple a nation's infrastructure. While these might sound like scenes from a sci-fi movie, they are potential realities in a world where AI is increasingly integrated into military operations. Now, consider the potential for catastrophic errors or the misuse of such systems. The risks are substantial and the need for regulation becomes clear. It's about ensuring that as we leverage the benefits of AI, we do so responsibly and ethically. The US-led initiative isn't just about imposing rules and restrictions, it's about fostering a global consensus on the ethical use of AI in the military. It's about ensuring that AI systems used in warfare comply with international humanitarian law, respect human rights, and are used responsibly. Japan's endorsement of this initiative is significant. As a nation known for its technological prowess and commitment to peace, Japan's support signals a recognition of the importance of this issue. And with 44 other countries also on board, this initiative represents a global effort to shape the future of AI in the military. As AI continues to evolve, so too must our approach to ensuring its safe and ethical use, and that includes on the battlefield. Artificial intelligence holds great promise, but it also poses significant threats. And one of those threats is to the very heart of our democracy, our elections. The United Kingdom's National Cybersecurity Center, or NCSC, has recently issued a stark warning about the potential misuse of AI in our democratic process. With advancements in AI, the creation of fake content for disinformation campaigns has become more plausible than ever. This is a serious concern as we approach the next UK general election, which will be the first to take place amidst such significant strides in AI development. The NCSC's annual review has also highlighted the emergence of ideologically motivated state-aligned actors. These actors, sympathetic to controversial global events, have the potential to use AI as a tool to influence public opinion and disrupt democratic processes. This is a sobering reminder that the power of AI, while transformative, can also be weaponized. So, what can we do to protect our democracies in the face of this potential threat? The NCSC suggests enhancing our cyber resilience. This means being prepared to detect, resist, and recover from cyber threats. It's about keeping pace with evolving threats and ensuring our systems are robust enough to withstand them. This isn't just a task for governments and cybersecurity agencies, it's a responsibility that falls to each of us. We need to be critical consumers of information, always questioning the source and veracity of what we read and hear. The rise of AI brings with it many challenges, And as we navigate this new world, we must remain vigilant to the threats it poses, even as we harness its potential for good. As we've seen today, the world of AI is rapidly evolving, bringing with it both exciting opportunities and significant challenges. In our first news, we learned about OpenAI's ambitious project, GPT-5, a next-generation AI model that could potentially surpass human knowledge and reasoning abilities. This epitomizes the exhilarating potential of AI technology. Our second news took us to the international political arena, where Japan and 44 other countries have endorsed a US-led initiative to regulate the military use of AI. This underscores the urgency for ethical considerations and regulations in the deployment of AI. Lastly, we delved into the realm of cybersecurity, where the rise of AI poses significant threats to critical infrastructure and democratic processes, like the UK elections. This highlights the potential risks and the need for robust cyber resilience. These stories are but a glimpse into the vast and intricate landscape of AI, showcasing the profound impact it has on our society. As we navigate this new terrain, we must tread with care, harnessing the opportunities AI offers while mitigating its challenges. The future of AI is here, and it's up to us to ensure that it's a future we can all look forward to. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the complex world of artificial intelligence. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we have. As we continue to untangle the vast web of AI, we invite you to be part of this exciting exploration. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to AI Rising for more weekly updates on AI news, insights, and discussions. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed is the first step towards understanding and shaping our AI-driven future. So stay tuned and keep rising with AI. Until next week, stay safe, stay curious, and remember, the future is what we make it.